Viewer discretion. This video is for review, demonstration, and commentary purposes only. Roblox permits modified clients in places with full edit permissions as per the May 2025 policy. Any other use is at the viewer's own risk. Full disclaimer can be found in the description. Yo guys, it's Mr. Exploit, and in today's video we're going to be doing something a little less serious today. We're going to be having fun. We're going to be executing some scripts, and we're not just going to be executing any script, we're going to be executing VAPE V4. So if you don't know about VAPE V4, you need to get to know about this. Do a quick Google search and you will understand about vape. It's created by a developer called 7GRANDDAD. He also goes by the name Xylex. He's been in the community for a while now, and he is definitely amongst the top 10, if not the top 5 script developers in the exploit community right now. He did quit for a while, but he's returned. He's revived his famous vape project, which is a free to use, last time I checked, open source. I'm not sure if it's open source right now. Completely free to use, no key system script hub, which supports games that he enjoys making scripts for, and right now it supports Prison Life, Block Tales, and Arena 1.8. You guys may remember this from Bed Wars. It was well known for Bed Wars. I'm pretty sure that was the most popular game that he did support in the past, but it seems that he only supports these 3 games right now. We're going to be starting off with the best, which is 1.8 Arena. I believe that's the most fun one out of all of these, but Prison Life is an absolute classic, and we're going to be checking out all of these today. So the executor that I'm going to be using is Vault. This is my main go-to executor right now. It is kind of expensive, but you can purchase it from my website with a 10% discount code, BANWAVE69420. So you can buy that at rswear.store. The links are on the screen right now, and you can find the link in the description as well. I would greatly appreciate if you guys decided to support me and get Vault from there. If you can't afford Vault, there is a cheaper option, Potassium, $22.99, very cheap. And it's not a subscription, it's a one-time purchase, and you can still use the 10% off code for Potassium as well. So all these scripts can be found in the description below at robloxscripts.com. Some people were getting very suspicious that I keep blurring the URL out. Well, it's so you guys can actually click the description and check the links out in the description. So I'm sorry about that. I'm not trying to steal your porn folders. I'm just trying to advertise my shit. So like I said, we're going to be getting started with 1.8 Arena. I'm really excited. I did test this out the other day, so let's get straight into this. Okay, never mind. The game's been deleted. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe the game's been DMCA'd, but this is a great start to the video, guys. I was going to try out the best thing first, and it turns out the game's been deleted. So I guess we've only got 2 games to try, and I can't scrap this video now. I'm too deep into the video, so I guess I'm just going to launch straight into, let's just go for Prison Life, I suppose. Okay, I can't lie, it's been a while since I've played Prison Life, and I can't actually spawn in as an inmate right now. The prisons are overrun just like real life, so I'm going to spawn in as a Fed, and we're going to do some Fed behavior. So let's first execute the VAPE V4 GUI. You can see that it's going to load right now. No key system, completely free to use. This is why 7GRANDDAD is the GOAT, everybody. And he does have a YouTube channel as well where he live streams. He does do cool videos from time to time, so I do recommend you go subscribe to him if you're interested in some more content from a highly rep script developer in the Roblox exploit community. So you can see this is the traditional vape UI, and we've got the typical drop down tabs right here. So we've got render, blatant, combat, utility. What else do we have? We've got world settings. We've got a lot of things to play with here, and a lot of people get confused by this. So to open the UI, it's right shift. It does tell you. I have been retarded in the past and completely missed this, but yeah, here we go. You can actually make configs with this by going to the profiles, and then you can have different profiles. There's a bunch of different settings. You can right click any of these settings to open up even more settings for the features. So it's really awesome. So if we right click aim assist, you can see that you can tweak it. So if you want to aim at the head, or if you want to aim at the root part, you can change the field of view. So I'm just going to do a little config real quick. I'm just going to enable some things, and then we're going to see exactly what we're dealing with here. Okay, so this is the config I've gone with right now. I'm definitely going to make a profile. I'm going to call this Mr. Exploit Prison Life, and then we're going to save that. So this is what I've gone for. The one suggestion I do have, 7GRANDDAD, is can we please have a way to grab guns? We don't have to go to the armory. We can just grab the MP5 or grab the shotgun. That would be pretty sweet. As you can see, guys, we're in the gaming chair right now, and we're about to see if this silent aim works. Okay, we're coming out the Fed station. There's guys that are clearly visible. Yeah, I don't think it registers damage if they're behind walls, but you can see that I'm absolutely melting everybody right now that's actually visible. This guy's about to come out in the Fed car. Can we melt him as well? Yep, we killed him too. So it seems that wallbang works, but it doesn't deal any damage, so it's kind of pointless. I don't know if that's like some misconfiguration that we've done. Let's see. So yeah, they're behind the fence and it doesn't seem like they're taking damage, even though they are clearly visible. But this is quite fun to use. I really want to see if the auto arrest works, so that's probably what we're going to try out next. So for the auto arrest, we are going to be using speed hack. We do have quite a lot of options for this. There's teleport, impulse, C-frame, pulse. There's quite a lot of things we can do, so that's pretty interesting. We're going to enable that right now, and we're going to see if we can auto arrest people. So we've got the handcuffs equipped. We're going to go find some crims right now. Oh my god, it actually works, guys. It actually works. We auto arrested the crim. We're going to auto arrest this crim as well. He's trying to kill me right now. Hopefully we don't get hit. Oh my god, there we go. The auto arrest works. I'm pretty happy with this right now. 7GRANDDAD, you do a great job with every game you touch. Pause. And I appreciate you, 7GRANDDAD. I can have a lot of fun with this. You know, I'm not a big prison life fan, but this is one of those absolutely classic games, and I kind of prefer this to Jailbreak. So I've not tried absolutely everything out here, but there are quite a lot of options you guys can do. Like, I've literally just disabled the entire gravity right now. We are on the moon, guys. We are in the gaming chair. We're flying all over the map with 0 gravity, and we are dead. So I guess we're going to jump into the next game. Sadly, we can't do 1.8 arena, but I am going to do Block Tails, which is up next. I don't know how overpowered this is going to be for Block Tails, but I've got high expectations if it's anything made by 7GRANDDAD. Okay, we've loaded into Block Tails. I do need to make an account for this. I've never played the game, so I'm just going to go through the intro real quick. Okay, so this is one of those really unique games on Roblox. I really love this game, and once again, I am using Vault. If you want to purchase Vault, it's the best executor on the market right now, security wise especially, and performance wise, because it has a Hyperion emulator. No other executor has this. You can purchase it from rswear.store. The link is on the screen. The link is in the description. You guys just have to type that in, and there's a 10% off promo code that you can use. Bandwave 69420 for 10% off, and if you want a cheaper option, you can get potassium as well for one-time purchase of $22.99. So we're going to execute this. Let's click run, and we are executing the famous vape right now on Block Tails. This game is actually a really awesome Roblox game, so I'm expecting some decent features here. So let's just see what we're dealing with real quick. So we do have some really awesome features here. We've got some good combat features. Automatically dodge any incoming attacks to negate damage. So I think this is like a Pokemon type game, or one of those like the Stick of Truth type gameplay, which if I remember correctly, that's how this game functions. So that would be very useful as well. We've got auto click, so I'm going to enable that one too. And we have miss cooldown. Remove the cooldown when missing a block or action. Yeah, we're definitely going to enable all those combat features. Then we have some mini games. Like I said, I've not really played this game, so I have no idea how to use the auto paint, auto fish, auto cloud grind, auto camel. I have no idea. Auto camel, we can auto buy camels. Why is there camels in this game? I don't know, bro. We got the staff detector, which I think you actually have to enter the group ID to get this to work. I'm not actually sure. Maybe that's how it works. I don't even know. Let me enable it. Does it do? Oh yeah, automatically for you, which is nice. And we have state spoofer. I'm not sure what the hell this does. Spoof jumping? Like, does this spoof that we're jumping? Requires racknet. Okay, so you need to enable racknet to actually mess with these features. So that one's interesting, and we could actually do this because Vault does have support for racknet. If I head into my client settings, we've got enable racknet library right here, but it can be risky sometimes. It can get you detected straight away and terminated. I don't know if the termination's instant, but I know that it's a very risky thing to play with. Oh my god, we've got my favorite feature, guys. We have the gaming chair. I absolutely love the gaming chair, and I love how it works on every game that he develops on. Like, it's amazing. It's one of those staple features of vape. And what would I do without the gaming chair? I love how it leaves a trail as well from the little wheels on the bottom. It's absolutely amazing for immersion, guys. Oh my god, I'm sat in a chair while on the gaming chair. Classic. Okay, so David just got kidnapped. I think we're about to have our first battle in the game, so I can actually see if the combat features work fine or not. Okay, so here we go. Select the ball to attack the stupid noobs, and we should have the auto clicker on and stuff. So let's just do this real quick. And when they attack back, yeah, so we should be getting the bonuses every single time, and we should be dodging these attacks pretty easily. Be ready for a counter attack. Let's see. Yeah, it works perfectly fine. So we countered it straight away. We get perfect shots every time, and that's great. This is going to make the game really easy, so you don't have to press space manually anymore. Vape takes care of all of that. Well guys, we've made it through the tutorial. We are in the first part of the game. I have no idea where to get a sword from, so unfortunately, you know, I'm probably going to have to end the video at this point. The last thing I do want to try out though is the gravity features. I really want to see how the gravity feature works. Like, can we actually have 0 gravity? Okay, it turns out we can have 0 gravity. gravity. Alright, there we go, guys. We really got 0 gravity right now. We're flying high in the sky. Let me just disable this so we can fall straight all the way down. I think I might have just broke the game. Okay, never mind. We are still alive. So there's quite a few things you can play around with. And this, I might have to do a full live stream where we play through the entire game using vape. Just because this game genuinely seems like a fun game. So yeah, sadly we can't play Arena 1.8, which I'm really bummed about. I was really looking forward to using that, as I feel like that's the best game that vape supports. But 7GRANDDAD's a high quality script developer, and it doesn't matter what game he supports, whether it's Prison Life, Block Tales, Arena 1.8, it doesn't matter, because he makes quality features, he makes sure his shit's fun to use, it's always optimized. And he's a great guy. He actually does these development live streams where he's actually working on vape while he's live. So once again, I'm going to shout out his YouTube channel. All the links can be found in the description below, guys. If you want to check this out, it's on robloxscripts.com. So I appreciate all of you for the support over the years. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like if you haven't already. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. And hopefully I could see you in the next one. As always, stay black and peace.